Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Brave browser and enable Shields for privacy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type brave.com and press enter. Once the Brave homepage loads, look for a prominent download button. Click on the download button to begin the downloading process. Once the file is downloaded, locate the file in your downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded Brave installer file to launch it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After the installation is finished, open the Brave browser. You will be greeted with a welcome page. Look for the Shields icon located in the address bar. Click on the Shields icon to open the Shields settings. You will see options for blocking ads, trackers, and upgrades. Enable the toggle switches next to your preferred privacy settings. Adjust the settings according to your privacy preferences. Once configured, simply close the Shields settings. You are now ready to browse the web with enhanced privacy. Your Brave browser is fully set up with Shields enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.